Hi everyone, and welcome back. One of the great lessons in life is when we realize that there are consequences to our actions. Very simply, if I don't work, I don't eat. If I don't take care of this body, my body will be sick. If I don't take care of my finance, I will find myself in poverty. If I don't take care of a property or a building, it will become in disrepair. There's always consequence to whatever actions we have. And yet in the world today, people seem oblivious to the consequence and not willing to face the consequence. The Bible says very simply, very clearly, whatever a man sows, that is what he shall reap. So I need to know that whatever I do, there will be consequence. If I'm going to pray and seek the Lord, I will find him. That's the consequence. That's the result. If I'm going to be a man who has a generous spirit and who gives unto God and gives to the people of God, gives to the church, God will bless me financially. That is a consequence. Whatever we sow, that's what we reap. Unfortunately, in the world, is a mentality where parents will protect their children from the consequence of their actions. Children will walk in rebellion, but the parents are there to cover everything up and make everything go away. But we need to learn the impact of consequence on our life. The consequence can bring a faith to my heart. God does not hold the past against me. But if I am facing the consequence of an issue in my life, I can turn my heart to God and say, Lord, I have done this, but in this situation, I am going to pay the price. There is consequence to my actions, but in this, Lord, I'm asking you to turn whatever was wrong into something right, whatever was bad into something good. Bring good out of bad, bring light out of darkness. And you know, I have discovered that the Lord in his grace and his mercy can do just that. I have met people who have found themselves in prison because of some wrongful act, breaking the law. They have sought God, and God has used that prison experience to bring a great blessing in their life and to accomplish his purpose. So I want to encourage you today to have a faith for consequence, to realize that we have nothing to be ashamed of, we have nothing to be afraid of, that in everything and for everything, God's will prevail. May the Lord help us.